Konnichiwa MinaSan. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to Romero's channel. For today's vlog, we're going to make our own version Filipino dish adobo. So let's get started. This is our ingredients in making our own version Filipino dish adobo. Water, pork belly, thinly chopped garlic, thinly chopped onion, potato, soy sauce, vinegar, ground black pepper, cooking oil, chili powder. Let's get started. We will just put the pork belly. Put the lid and we will simmer it for a few moments.
A few moments later.
I just put the cooking oil and we will saute the pork belly. Put the onion and garlic. And saute. We will simmer it and wait until it cooks.
A few moments later.